good, everybody? This is Bino again, and today we're doing a double header. Just got back reviewing my Chicago ones outside, and of course I had to, I guess that vintage guest emblem, But enough of that. But today we got another unboxing for you guys, and yeah, I don't know what it is, so that's why I'm like literally going through all the stuff that I have here that I have not touched in a while because I've been busy so much with other things besides reviewing. But other than that, I'm here now. I'm ready to review. So let's just get into this. Looks like we got him. Ooh, man. Can you believe that? We got an actual colored box, and with this new type of colored box, you know that this Jordan has to be rare. You know that this Jordan 1 has to be rare. You know that for a fact. This is rare as fuck. It's crazy too, and I don't know what to say really. It's just absolutely crazy. I don't know what to tell you. It's just crazy as hell. Other than that, it's look at the broadery of the size number. Like, yo, what is that? Okay, what we got? No way. No way, my guy. No fucking way. Man, I knew it was gonna happen one way eventually, but man, look at these. We actually got the ones that Jordan wore, but not game worn, but just worn in some type of event. But we got the neutral gray Air Jordan 1s. Look how this blends in. It looks all white on camera, but if I zoom in closer, it got that perfect gray, that perfect white tumble leather. This kind of reminds me of a Hyper Royal, but if you take out the blue in it. But yeah, this is like the older brother of the Hyper Royals. And if you ask me, man, like, this shoe is just perfect. I like how this looks. It has that very firm tumble leather. Even the suede itself, I call this a carpet rug suede, as y'all can see, carpet rug suede. And even the back as well. The back looks good. Everything around the shoe, the materials itself, it's very firm. I look good. It's really good. Even the midsole is looking different. The midsole is looking really different. Crazy. It's looking really crazy. It's even the broadery of the Jordan 1 too. It looks absolutely nuts. Like literally nuts. I can't lie. And what was that other piece that was inside the shoe too? Yeah. I saw this drop earlier. It came with this, and this is like, what is this, instructions on how to wear the shoe, or it tells you about the shoe. So yeah, it came like this. Yeah. And we worry about this one right here too. Now to style with this, I'll probably say go with like jeans. Don't wear black jeans because they're gonna bleed all over the back of the shoe. Just like roll up your jeans more and make them look like high waters if you feel comfortable. If not, then that's up to you. Or just wear shorts. I mostly wear shorts now. Well, I've been wearing shorts since it's like a whitish bluish type of color. Like, I don't know if y'all can look. It looks white on camera, but y'all know what I mean by it. If you look on it up close, it's like blue. It's like that whitish bluish type of thing. So even the insole looks great as well. The insole looks great. I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah, the insole looks good. And then also said 11 out of 20. Damn, 11 out of 20,000 pairs. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can look at that, but yeah, it says it right there. Zoom in close, but I give this shoe probably about like a 9.9. Well, not 9.9. 9.6 out of 10. And the shoe looks amazing. It looks really good. Smells good as well. Damn, it smells really good. Really good. Yo, man, y'all did a really good job on this pair, man. Shout out to y'all for sending me this pair. Shout out to the plug for sending me this. It's really amazing. Like, I love this pair already. I'm already loving this pair already, man. This pair is absolutely wonderful. It's comfortable. And I don't know what to say. It's just really dope. It's really dope, man. Really dope. But enough of that talk. Let's get to this OnFoot review. And also, make sure to go on my Instagram too. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. OnFoot review. Let's go.